Hello, coordinators. This is the third video for this series. This one is going to focus on transportation to Summer Institute and hotel reservations. Now, the requesting of transportation is actually going to be a little bit different than a field trip. Now, keep in mind, with the addition of Iowa Colony High School, we're going to have 12 campuses that are looking at attending Summer Institute at the exact same time. Traditionally, what we do is we ask each campus to go ahead and put in a request for a suburban. Now, the suburban request does not go through Jackie Kane, my apologies. It actually does go through your campus. So this is the form that I was given by my campus secretary of just as it goes, fill out the date, name. I have no special instructions. My activity is Avid Summer Institute, San Antonio. Destination, Grand Hyatt Hotel, 600 East Market Street with the zip code. A person who will supervise is me. My cell, no buses, but one suburban, no students. There should be 7 adults, and then that we're leaving on the 5th, coming back on the 8th. And then when we want to pick up the suburban, there is no pickup location because there's no driver. Once I submit this to her, she actually puts it into the transportation system to try to secure a suburban for us. Again, guys, Avid Summer Institute is not the only summer training happening, and many people across the district will be looking at suburbans. The earlier you can get in your request, the better. I've even reached out to a couple of coaches that are coordinators to see about even driving the micro buses. Those are the smaller white buses, and I think with the size that's there, possibly 2 campuses could drive together. Now, please keep in mind, at this time, there is no payment for personal vehicles to travel because we do have the ability to secure suburbans. Please make sure that your staff members know that. I know some people, this is part of their holiday vacation, so they may want to stay to extend time in San Antonio. Then that's arrangements that they will have to make. If there's any clarification on that, I will follow up and I will update you. But as of now, that is what our policy has been. If there's some type of emergency, though, please also let me know so we can discuss one-on-one. All right, so again, we're going back to my Avid. I have logged in. I am going to Summer Institute. Clicking on Summer Institute dates, I'm going to come down to San Antonio. I'm going to click on Learn More. And then down here, I have the accommodations. So what I want to do is I want to book accommodations now, and it's going to tell me if I'm going to do a group block. We are not, I know as a district, we're doing that many, but each individual campus is not reserving more than 9 rooms. So you're going to click individual reservations. What I would do here, please make sure check-in is on the 5th. Please make sure checkout is on the 8th. You are going to be getting 4 rooms because remember, your administrator will get their room, and then traditionally we do 2 guests per room. The host hotel is the Grand Hyatt. They are attached to the Henry B. Gonzalez Center. You're going to click on View Rooms, and then what's going to happen is you are going to start hitting Reserve. Now, you're going to agree to the cancellation policy. This is one thing I need you to understand and take note of. You are reserving 4 rooms, but maybe you only have 2 people that are going. Now, what'll happen then is we need to cancel the other rooms. No, it doesn't mean each individual gets their own room, but you must cancel 48 hours prior to your schedule arrival. So the good thing is we do have until July to cancel, but we definitely do not want to be put in a position where the district is charged and we're not using those rooms. So you're going to agree to the cancellation policy, and then you're going to notice here it's giving me my 4 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one of the things when I did my registration, guys, it will make you put at least 1 person per room. Now, if you TBAs, you have no name. So please make sure that you put your name as 1. You do want to look here, guys, on preferences, because remember, Some rooms have king beds, some rooms have double beds. If you know it's going to be a room where somebody is sharing, please make sure you request double beds. Now, let me be clear, they're going to accommodate what they can, but it's important that we get in as early as possible. So you have to put in at least one person. So of course, put in your own name. And then you're gonna, I actually I emailed 4 of the people on my site team and said, hey guys, here's the deal. I need to put your name down on these rooms. I'm not committing you to go, but I need to reserve the rooms. So as I said, you'll go through, you're going to add the person, name, last name, email address, postal code. This will pop up. And then I created the same password for all of the rooms because I'm the one that's going to go in and check them. Then you save that person's information, check the preferences, and then you go to room 2 and you do the same thing. Add a person, keep going from there, all right? And then at the very end, it's going to ask you to confirm your rooms and to go ahead and put a credit card down on file. So with that particular room, that is where the campus credit card comes in. You'll speak with your campus secretary, and then you will need to use that campus credit card to reserve the room. Then we will make sure before we leave that you will get the tax exempt form from your campus, and you will take the credit card with you when we do go to Summer Institute to pay for the rooms on the card. Please make sure that your campus is aware that you're reserving the rooms on the campus card. You're paying for the rooms on the campus card, but once Summer Institute is done, the bill will be paid by the Avid District Office. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Bye-bye.